Hi, I'm Yvonne. I'm a class designer. I'm currently at our another project in Elmina. This house is owned by a very young couple. Basically for this house, they are willing to do industrial outside just to make the house comfortable, cozy and living. This owner has a cat, have 2 dogs and 2 birds. Another end is going to be a washing area and a space for the dogs. This is not a very big room, but let's imagine we'll do it in another different way. When we walk in, this is going to be a closet enclosed with glass and followed by a tatami so that they can have their films in this area. This area is going to be a single wall and L-shaped one, and they will mount the TV on this wall. Although this space is small, but it's a very complete one. For this outdoor area, we're going to have a platform with a kitchen island for barbecue and a sink. For this part, we're actually going to close with a real door. It's going to be laundry space and some washing space for the dogs. So this space is going to be for one of the parrot. We are going to dismantle this VRC and replace with expanded metal as well. So that will be a space for another parrot. Follow us on our social media, Klaas Design, and my page, Yvonne Masterclass.